In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoom avatars. Zoom's avatar feature lets you replace your real camera feed with a fun animal character that mirrors your head movements and facial expressions. It's a great way to add personality to meetings while keeping your real video off, and it still uses your camera so people can see your reactions in a playful way. First, let's make sure you meet the requirements. You'll need Zoom version 5.10.0 or newer on desktop for Windows or Mac OS or on iOS. If you're not sure which version you're running, check your Zoom Apps About section and update if needed through your App Store or Zoom's download page. Also, your account owner or admin has to enable the avatar feature in the Zoom web portal. If you don't see the Avatars tab later on, it usually means the feature just needs to be turned on by your admin. If you're the admin, sign in to the Zoom web portal and head to Account Management, then Account Settings. Under the Meeting tab, scroll to In Meeting, Advanced, and find Avatars. Toggle it on to enable it for your users. If you see that it's locked, unlock it first so the toggle can be applied. Once this is on, everyone on the account will be able to access avatars during meetings where video is allowed. Now let's pick an avatar in a live meeting. Join or start a meeting and make sure your camera is on. On the meeting toolbar, click the small arrow next to the Start Video or Stop Video button. Choose Virtual Background or Video Filter. In that window, open the Avatars tab. You'll see a selection of animal avatars, such as a fox, a cat, or a bear. Click the one you want, and it will appear in place of your camera feed. Once selected, your avatar will animate based on your face. It can nod, blink, and mirror your expressions, which helps you stay expressive without showing your real video. For best results, face the camera, sit in good lighting, and keep your head and shoulders in view so tracking is smooth. If performance seems sluggish, try closing other heavy apps. To remove the avatar at any time, go back to the Avatars tab and select None, or click. Turn off Avatar from your self-view. Keep in mind that avatars and video filters generally can't be used at the same time, so pick one or the other. That's it. Simple and fun. Update Zoom if needed, ask your admin to enable avatars, pick your character in the meeting, and you're good to go. Enjoy your next call with a bit more charm.